Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you activate Chase Bank debit card. To activate a Chase Bank debit card, you need to follow the steps. So here, what you want to do is first of all, open up your browser. The thing is, you could also use your mobile application. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. But what you need to do is for the mobile application, you want to open the app and go to the card sections, and there you could find these options as activate as well. So you could go ahead and press that out and confirm or maybe follow the on-screen prompt. So right on this page, if you're using a browser version, you could type in chase.com/personal/banking /education/budgeting spacing /activate debit card or debit card. So don't worry about the link. I'll also make sure to drop it on my description box below. So here, what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and you have the section as how to activate a new debit card. So there are a few ways that you may be able to activate a new debit card. So you could click on the link or you could just scroll down and find these activate a debit card. So click on activate new debit card. After which you could then go ahead and read the terms and conditions. So here is the link, that is chase.com/activate, or maybe call the number on the back of your card, or maybe use the pin at the Chase ATM. So these are different ways you could go ahead and activate. So if you're doing the online way, you want to go to this link, and here you just need to go ahead and make sure to sign into your account and follow the on-screen prompt, and you'll have successfully activated your Chase Bank or Chase debit card. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.